Harina takes a three. No good. Rebound ni Lewan. Lewan ito yung nahuga. Lewan. Goes down the pace. To Bernardo. Bernardo in the pace. 13 to shoot. Bernardo to Monon. Go. Rebound back. Gap to Monon. Graduate, Monmon Ancino.
Pumiti ka, nag-kill ka. Tingaw ka na IC. Hawak na ako yan.
Santos may hawak. Santos against set. 17 on the shot clock. Santos. Traveling violation. Zach gets a screen by Gap. Zach. Huli. Hooper. Kuha ni Harina. Harina tayo ng ano dyan. Nestor down the pace. Oh, Lewanag. Lewanag takes it all the way down. Harina. Pangalan si Harina. Fourth personal foul, first team foul. Sabre! Lewanag first shot is good. Lewanag ties the game just by 15. Lewanag, second shot. Is good. Score 51 to 15. Maroon takes back the lead just by 1. Arreglo. Gives it up to Espadero. Espadero against him. Espadero gives it up to Place for 3. Short!
Kano tanggal?
Bernardo nakariba. Bernardo. 2 points. Bernardo. Leads back just by 3.
Patawag dito, me.
Arreglo 3. Yes! 2 points. Arreglo. Bernardo may hawak ng bola. 15 on the shot clock. Bernardo napitawan ng bola. Set by Espadero. 10 to shoot. Bernardo. No good. Rebound ni Prince. Prince may hawak. Binigay niya kay Santos. Santos turning on the Jets. Santos going all the way. Prince. No good. 2 points. Rebounds by Gab. Bernardo libre sa kabilang court. Busy 2 points. For Zach Bernardo. Santos may hawak. Kasi screen, no. Nagiging kay Arreglo. 16 to shoot. Arreglo screen by Santos. Arreglo.
Okay na.
Traveling. Sabre.
Prince! Bet. Hey guys!
Lewanag 3 points. No good. Rebound ni Gab. Cruz. 2 points. Cruz. Oh, 2 points. Arreglo. Foul si Gab. Sabre. First personal foul, 13 foul. Tama?
Masaya yung mag-timeout. Dalawa timeout nyo.
Our score, 59 to 53. Second team foul lang po pala. Our score, 59-53 in favor of Team Maroon ulit. Uy, buti ka magawa na! Recover ni Rios. Doron may hawak, wait lang daw. Doron nakalusot. Doron, runner, it's short. Buhani, wait lang, hindi ko nakikita. Buhani Bernardo. Bernardo gets. Bernardo against Doron. Bernardo. Wala, baka. Dead ball lang. Try to shoot. Harina. Ano ba yun? Sabret. Wala na. Sabret. Sab, sige, pasok. Arreglo. Picked up by manager. 17 to shoot. Arreglo against manager. Binigay kay Cabanas. 3! No good. Rebound ni Rios. 2 points. Rios. Bernardo gives it up to Bernardo. Bernardo, no foul score. Scoring by Doron. Wow, Bernardo, 4% about 13 foul. Warning for graduation, Zach Bernardo. Arreglo hands it up to Doron. Back to Arreglo. Last 6 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Arreglo, no good. Rebound ni Gab. Gives it up to Zach. Zach to Lewanag. 16 to shoot. Lewanag ka na matapasahan. Binigyan na kay Zach. Zach, lumapag! No good. Kuha! Zach! The ball is called. 2 points for Zach Bernardo. Our score is 61-55 in favor of Team Maroon. Doron nakalusot kay Gab. Swiveling to the defense. 2 points. Doron. 61-57 ang score. Bernardo binigay kay Gab. Gab nakalusot. Gab binigay kay Bernardo. 10 to shoot. Bernardo double teamed. Bernardo nakalusot pa rin. 3-4 na yan. Binigay kay manager. Assist by Zach Bernardo. Back to 6 ang lamang ng Team Maroon. Arreglo. Natunaan na bola by the team by Team Maroon. Jump ball. Who's ball? Same ball? Same ball. Sabret! Pasok ang pasok. Labas ang labas.
Kaya bola kanina.
Oy, kayo ba lang? Maroon ball now. Ano ba? Wait lang, nagkagulo.
Court block, Maroon. Nice one, man.
4. Maroon ball tayo. Bernardo against Espadero. 18 on the shot clock. Espadero. Whoa! No good. Rebound ni sa ball. Binigay kay Bernardo. Slips through the D. 2 points for set. No good. Rebound ni Bernardo pa rin. Bernardo. Binigay kay Gab. Double three. No good. Rebound ni Rios. Sabre. 14. Panginoon si Seth. Panginoon si Seth. Third personal foul, 14 foul. Warning for penalty na tayo. Maroon warning for penalty. Karina against manager. Karina, nakalusot. Karina, natapik. Who's tayo rep? 22. 23. Penalty tayo rep. 23 daw. Angelo. Second personal foul, penalty. 2 shots for Karina.
Basket. May dumot ba? May dumot?
Leader. Second shot, Harina. No good. Rebound ni Harina pa rin. No foul call. Kulang ito. Liwanag tayo ng mga dyan. Liwanag akin na to. 2 points, Liwanag. Light ball na. Last 4 minutes remaining. Arregla 2 points. Ball mo tayo. Dead ball. Dead ball tayo. Gab, binigay ko yung manager. Manager, munti ka na. Time out rep. Time out. Yeah. Our score 65-60 in favor of Team Maroon.
Why the fuck you here, nigga?
Arregla nakatanggap. Arregla. Nakalusot. 2 points. Arregla. Leaves cut down by 3 out of pass. Diaz to Arregla. Ay, Santos. Deep break. Arregla. 3 points. Arregla. Lead. Our score outside up at 65. Liwanag nakatanggap. Liwanag. Double team. Grabe ang depensa. Nakikisigat. Gap. 3 points. No good. Foul. Who's foul rep? Angelo. Pangin si Angelo. Penalty tayo, rep. Third person na mga rep. Rep. Sub rep. Pasok. Labas. First up for Harina is good. Team Black takes the lead just by 1. Second shot is good. Among ang Team Black. Liwanag picked up by Harina. Liwanag. Grabe ang dito. Pasok din natin yung team na rin. Arregla! He's broken! Wala na, turnover. Maroon ball. That's okay. We make mistakes all the time.
Recording pa.
Gab may hawak. Oy! Binigay mo yung hindi na shoot. We're not to Gab. Gab. Nabitawan mo muna. Set to set. Back to Gab. Grab the shoot. Meron. Binigay kay Gab. Gab, tend to shoot. Binigay niya kay Set. Set for 3! Yeah! 3-point set. Paras. Mamalo na sa Team Maroon. Ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves a ball game. Harina to Arregla. Arregla. To ilan tayo ba Maroon? Set, binigay kay Gab. Our score 68-67 in favor of Team Maroon. Time out tayo, Maroon.